Let's be real. The end of the year is usually a chaotic mess. You've got the holidays, family gatherings, travel plans, and just the general burnout of making it through another 12 months. The last thing most of us want to do is open a spreadsheet and look at our bank accounts. But here's the truth. December is the most expensive month of the year for a reason. And it's also the month where you have the most power to change your tax bill and your financial trajectory for next year. If you wait until January 1st to get your life together, you've already missed the boat on some of the biggest wealth-building moves available to you. Today, we're going through a 9-point checklist. These aren't just tips, these are strategic moves you need to make before the clock strikes midnight on December 31st. Grab a coffee, pull up your banking app, and let's get into it.
The 401k and 403b max out. You've heard this before, but have you actually checked the numbers lately? For 2026, the contribution limits are higher than they used to be. You need to look at your year-to-date contributions right now. If you haven't hit that limit and you have some extra cash from a year-end bonus or just disciplined saving, contact your HR or log into your portal today. Increasing your contribution for those final paychecks isn't just about retirement, it's about lowering your taxable income. Every dollar you put in there is a dollar the IRS can't touch this year. If you're close to a tax bracket edge, this move alone could save you thousands in taxes. Don't leave free money on the table, especially if your employer offers a match. That's a 100% return on your investment instantly.
Number 2, the FSA Use It or Lose It Scramble. If you have a flexible spending account through your employer, this is urgent. Unlike an HSA, most FSA funds do not roll over. If you don't spend that money by the end of the year, it literally vanishes. It goes back to your employer. Check your balance today. If you have $300 left, go get those new prescription glasses you've been putting off. Stock up on first aid kits, sunscreen, or even high-tech health gadgets that are FSA eligible. Go to Amazon's FSA store if you have to. Do not let your hard-earned money become a donation to your company's bottom line.
Number 3, tax loss harvesting. This is a big one if you have a taxable brokerage account. Let's look at your portfolio. Did you take some losses this year? Maybe a specific stock or ETF performed poorly. You can sell those losing positions before December 31st to offset the capital gains you made elsewhere. This is a perfectly legal way to reduce your tax bill. You can even use up to $3,000 of those losses to offset your regular ordinary income. Just be careful of wash sale rule. You can't sell a stock for a loss and then buy the exact same thing back 24 hours later, but you can buy something similar. It's a chess move that professional investors use every year, and you should too.
Number 4, review your beneficiaries. This takes 5 minutes, but it's the most neglected part of financial planning. Life changes fast. Maybe you got married, maybe you had a kid, or maybe you went through a divorce, or maybe your primary beneficiary passed away. Your will is important, but your 401k, IRA, and life insurance policies will pay out to whoever is listed on the beneficiary form, regardless of what your will says. Log in, check the names, and make sure they align with your current life reality. It's a small task that prevents a massive legal nightmare for your family later on.
Number 5, the Roth IRA conversion or contribution. If you've had a lower income year than usual, this might be the perfect time for a Roth conversion, moving money from a traditional IRA to a Roth. You'll pay taxes on it now at your current lower rate, and it grows tax-free forever. If you're just doing regular contributions, remember that while you technically have until tax day in April to contribute for the previous year, doing it now lets that money start compounding sooner. Also, if you're a high earner, check if you need to do a backdoor Roth before the year-end processing deadlines hit.
Number 6, check your credit report for free. The end of the year is a great time to do a financial physical. Go to annualcreditreport.com. It's free, it's government mandated, and it doesn't hurt your score. Look for errors. In 2026, identity theft and reporting errors are at an all-time high. If there's a credit card you didn't open, or a late payment that shouldn't be there, you want to start the dispute process now so your record is clean for when you might need a loan next year. A clean credit report is the foundation of your financial leverage. Number 7, rebalance your portfolio. The market moves. One sector might have exploded this year while another tanked. That means your original plan,
let's say 70% stocks and 30% bonds, might now be 85% stocks and 15% bonds. You are now taking on more risk than you intended. Rebalancing is simply selling some of what did well and buying more of what is currently on sale to get back to your target. It forces you to do the one thing most people fail at: selling high and buying low. Don't just let your portfolio drift. Take control of the wheel.
Charitable giving and gifting. If you're planning on donating to charity, do it before December 31st to get that deduction on your 2026 return. But think beyond just cash. If you have appreciated stocks, you can donate the shares directly to a 501c3. You get the tax deduction for the full market value, and you never have to pay capital gains tax on the growth. It's a massive win-win. Also, if you're in a position to gift money to children or family, remember the annual gift tax exclusion. In 2026, you can give a certain amount per person without even having to file a gift tax return. It's a great way to move wealth down the generations while reducing your future taxable estate.
Number 9. Set your 3 pillars for next year. Finally, don't just look backward, look forward. I want you to pick 3 specific financial goals for next year. Not vague resolutions like save more money. I mean things like, I will max out my HSA, I will pay off my high-interest car loan, or I will build a 6-month emergency fund. Write them down, put them in your phone's notes. When January 1st hits, you shouldn't be wondering what to do. You should already be in motion.
The middle class in the US is getting squeezed from every direction right now. High interest rates, persistent inflation, and a volatile job market mean you cannot afford to be passive. These 9 steps aren't just chores, they are your defense and your offense. Take one afternoon this week, maybe a Saturday morning when the house is quiet, and go through this list. Your future self on December 31st of next year will thank you for the discipline you showed today. Thanks for watching. If you found this checklist helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel reach more people who are trying to navigate this economy. Let me know in the comments which of these 9 you're tackling first. I'll see you in the next one.